Welcome to our YouTube channel. You can see various videos about animals that have been uploaded to the channel before. Let's go to this video. 5 facts about the swans. Number 1. Swans are a symbol of love and loyalty, as they choose a mate for life. Number 2. Swans' wings can span up to 3 meters, much larger than we think. Number 3. Swans can fly at speeds of over 90 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Swan chicks are born gray and gradually turn white. Number 5. In addition to being beautiful, swans are also very territorial and sometimes aggressive. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friends and ring the bell so you don't miss the next videos.